Hello, this is Reshma, RJ Splendor makeup artist. We are shooting with Kaushal sir. Four to five designers, and the collection will be around 15 collections.
This costume designed by Alankar Art Designs, Srikanth. He does most of the celebs, TV actors and film actors, a lot of photo shoots and stuff like that. So, main publication design, he gave the same design, but it would be bit loose, but it's fine. And this is a black and red combination. When we shoot for this kind of designer wear, camera click karna, a flash karna, model has to be quick in posing. Apde people call you as a professional model actually. This is just a frilled shirt designed by DNA Akhil. Actually, I sent him to a different color, kind of a warm yellow, but he designed in this sea green, lot of green mix and blue mix. This colors actually, it's looking good. This dress also designed by Srikanth, Alankar Art Design. This simple kurta pajama designed by Srikanth, Alankar Art Designs. It's just a grey, simple kurta pajama. It's actually kind of a Muslim look. It's nice. I loved it. Guys, the costume change is very important, and you should know how quick you're changing and how quick you're coming to the location again. It's not just going back and taking long time and coming back again. Sun won't wait for you. You have to quick along with the sun. When it gets sunrise, you can't take any shots. This costume designed by Hoda Designs, Prashant. Thank you, Prashant. నేను డిజైన్ పంపించినట్టు within no seconds, no days. You stitched and sent me this design. Thank you so much. A beautiful dress design చేసింది Nikita and Momsi, Paw Designs. How are you feeling with this dress?
Nice. కొత్తగా చూపించారు నన్ను. Thank you so much. This dress designed by Srikanth, Alankar, and this one, Huda Prashant. Thank you. This dress designed by Srikanth, Alankar, and this dress designed by Nikita and Omsi, Paw Designs. Hey, dear near Vizag, Akhil, నేను పంపించిన డ్రెస్ యాజ్ టీస్ ది పింక్ సాంగ్. It's beautiful. Thank you. This is a pure ethnic wear designed by Huda Prashant. Thank you, Prashant. A lovely color combination with a nice dhoti and pajama and the waistcoat. Hey guys, today I'm shooting for the final costume. Nagarjuna Gari Sogade Chinnaina style. Kidding. This is actually doing with my wife Neelima, and she's going to be a nice silk saree and the old portrait look we're giving her, and it's going to be a bun, flowers, and like a very old style. today's shoot, I'm very happy. Big Boss Tarvata, there's a lot of photographers asked me for the shoot, but I didn't get time to shoot. Finally, I got a time to shoot myself. 2 years లో చాలా మందికి షూట్ చేయడం జరిగింది కానీ నాకు నేను షూట్ చేసుకోవడం చాలా తక్కువ. సో ఐ గాట్ ఎ ఫ్యాంటాస్టిక్ పోర్ట్ఫోలియో. సో మోడల్ అనే వాళ్ళు ఎవ్రీ 3 to 6 monthsకి మోడల్ పోర్ట్ఫోలియో అనేది చేంజ్ చేస్తూ ఉండాలి, అప్డేట్ చేస్తూ ఉండాలి. బికాస్ ఎవ్రీ 3 to 6 monthsకి దే కీప్ చేంజ్ ద లుక్ కాబట్టి. And every 6 months minimum, if you change your portfolio, it will be very good. At least 2-3 changes and take some good portfolios. And nowadays, social media chala update ayin tarvata, there's a lot of photographers who wants to collaborate with models and lot of makeup and lot of stylists who wants to collaborate, and you can find them on the social media. So try to shoot with them. Definitely, prati okkaru new photographers, upcoming photographers kabatti, they'll try to give you a very good portfolio. And today I shot with 24 frames guy photographer Anil. Anil చూసిన వెంటనే నేను ఇప్పటివరకు వర్క్ చేసిన ఫోటోగ్రాఫర్స్ అందరూ there is a very high-fi photographers, బట్ చూసిన వెంటనే అనిల్ అంత అవుట్పుట్ ఇవ్వగలడా లేదా. ఇప్పటివరకు నేను వర్క్ చేసిన ముంబై ఫోటోగ్రాఫర్స్, I worked with Atul Kaspekar and Kunal Lakhani, all the big Kapil, all the big photographers, and whether he can give that kind of output or not అనుకున్నాను. బట్ ఆఫ్టర్ సీయింగ్ ద పిక్చర్స్ హీ గివ్ ఎ ఫెంటాబులస్ అవుట్పుట్. ఎవ్రీ ఆ మూడ్కి తగ్గట్టు లైటింగ్ కానీ బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ కానీ సెట్ చేయడం జరిగింది. సో నా చేతిలోకి మోడల్ వస్తే ఐ లైక్ ప్లే విత్ హర్ లైక్ ఎనీథింగ్. అండ్ ఫైనల్లీ నా టేస్ట్ తగ్గట్టే తను కూడా షూట్ చేయడం జరిగింది. అండ్ ఎవ్రీ థీమ్కి we selected a beautiful backdrops, and finally we got a fantastic shots with the female model. And female model Hina, she's a new model. I mean, chasing the shoot, so she did a couple of films and stuff like that. But she's working with me first time, and she also, because tanu choose cheskodaniki main reason endante she has that ethnic traditional face anamata. So today's costume mostly ethnic kabatti I choose her for today's portfolio, and she also did a fantastic job. And finally shoot came out really good, and all the technicians from 24 frames, all the guys, like man, a very good job they did. And Reshma from Isaac, she did very good makeup. And usually Neelima ki makeup ekku suit avadu, but she did a fantastic makeup for Neelima also. Alage hairstylist from Reshma team, she did a fabulous job. And like a new stylist, she's a very young stylist, Bhavya, she did a good job. And today's team, like my manager Gaurav, he did so hard work. And finally everyone did a fantastic job. And thank you Mango team for sending Naveen and executive producer Rahul for this covering the whole shoot. They did really hard work, and thank you so much. And after seeing myself in the camera, I feel like going to my modeling days again. And I keep shooting like this kind of shoots every on and off. I think looking forward to shoot again with 24 frames. And love you all for sparing us for the whole video. And ఈ వీడియో చూసి మీ కామెంట్స్ తెలియచేయండి. అండ్ డెఫినెట్గా మీకు మోడలింగ్ మీద ఎలాంటి సందేహాలున్నా, వాట్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ యూ హ్యావ్ ఇన్ మోడలింగ్, డెఫినెట్లీ ఐమ్ దేర్ టు క్లారిఫై. ఈ 25 years ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్లో ఇఫ్ ఐ డోంట్ క్లారిఫై ఐఎమ్ నథింగ్ యాక్చువల్లీ. డెఫినెట్లీ మీకు మోడల్ అవ్వాలనుకున్నా, లేకపోతే మీకు మోడలింగ్లో ఏదైనా చేయాలనుకున్నా, బట్ డోంట్ కిల్ యువర్ డ్రీమ్స్. డెఫినెట్లీ డూ సంథింగ్. అండ్ వాట్ ఎవర్ యూ హ్యావ్ ఇన్ యువర్ డ్రీమ్ to become something, do that, but don't ever stop your dreams. Okay guys, thank you so much, and keep watching Kaushal Manda's Looks TV, and don't forget to subscribe with the bell icon. Bye.